Today and in the box, we'll be unboxing T-Mobile's new RevvlRy Plus smartphone. Now, this box, I actually like the design of it with the little pink corner on the overall black box. I feel like it looks like the uniforms that they give out to the T-Mobile employees. Now let me just start taking this box apart and see what comes inside of it. Sorry, I'm struggling with one hand here. Here we go. All right, now let's check it out. All right, here we have the RevvlRy Plus. The phone feels pretty good. It feels pretty solid. It definitely does feel like an upgrade from the past phones I have with 2 camera lenses, so it's keeping up with the new camera technology of the newer smartphones. Now let's see what else we have in here. It's just the cover. Let's open this up. All right, so here we have the charging base, standard. Okay, so it looks like it connects with USB-C, so I'm assuming that the USB cable is USB-C to USB-C. Let's check that out here. Yeah, that's what it looks like here. So it looks like both ends is USB Type-C for the RevvlRy Plus. So if you're looking for a replacement cable, just keep that in mind. Now let's go through this little packet here. All right, what do we have? A bunch of stuff. All right, so we have the terms and condition with the warranty book. I don't know if anybody still reads these. We do have the SIM tool in there that allows you to take out the SIM card and the SD card. It comes with a T-Mobile SIM card. So if you're looking to activate service, that's all you need there. The safety and regulatory information. I'm not sure if I ever read one of those either. And the standard welcome start guide. So this probably has all the information on how to set up your phone and set up with the basics. Now, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe, guys.